Dance, big top dagger, dan dada, where your dance brings up.
Definitely Portland, we are here. You know what? My God, the ladies are lovely. Quite fucking so. Elaborate. I need vagina. Getting rid of you and I'm getting someone kinda. Picture out of Mr. Muta, elaborate for Portland.
Yeah, we're there. You know, so Portland when I fuck her. When you know, so we have the fire burning. And we start the fire, we'll continue it. Burn out the tight pants blood clot thing. We don't deal with them thing there. No time at all. The man never stop compete with the woman them boy. Yeah.
Quite so.
The man never cut it out rasta fight woman for video light and all kind of fuckery. Read him again because what? We not book for the show but to walk and look for the show. You understand?
Quite so.
When some man I go fuck all the girl them body and I go and like say them straight. Them thing don't work. Here what? Nothing with scale and kill. Everything when them fish this year I get killed.
My God.
Hold on. No redeem.
Yes.
No, we don't ready. You have some boy too.
Elaborate.
We are look woman. And before them just look the woman and be creative. Come up with something spontaneous. Them a call the man name, the woman man name. Why me see the virgin there with girl last night asylum. Fuck with that, them boy they for go.
I recommend the swift sucking of your mother's genitalia.
Me go tell you how gangster look girl because wow, we have to run it fast. Because them see a lot of artists round here.
Quite so.
Me go show them how gangster look girl.
I'm going to say this to the ladies, my babies. Absolutely. Elaborate. Bounce it through. Girl, when your boyfriend is never ever there and he's ramping to fling in the gear, here to let you know that you should have no fear. Always remember, we're here. You're giving him love and he's giving you fun. Always there and he's always on the run. After 9 years and a pretty little son, you do deserve now to have some. All your dreams have been shattered. Back down in the days when he was all that mattered. It make him dirty, gal, them. See you wanna drop her. You're moving straight ahead. No time to look backward. He's speaking like a dog now. Isn't that awkward?
She said the little fool a below her anger. She say I miss you want, she no want it no longer.
And why is this so? Explain it stronger.
She say him now no wood him full of seeds like ganja.
Girl, when your boyfriend is never ever there. My God.
Hold on.
Last fire.
Your chain, something drop off.
Quite so. I don't believe.
And the Portland girl, them are not thief.
Quite so.
I love it because them see it and them point it out here. We love them.
Elaborate on the other fire that we have to burn. It's now my major concern. Elaborate for Portland.
All right, black people.
Quite so.
Want to know so we don't deal with bias?
No fucker right here.
This virgin here, where we go and burn, mean disapprove of, is a legend. We don't disrespect legend. We reason with legend when legend are the fucker.
Quite so.
You understand? When a man go and leave Jamaica,
no blacker right here,
and go foreign, and them go and try to stop your show them. I say any show where you dip on it or dip on it, and you don't trouble him.
Quite so.
The man are gonna make a strong accusation too. Out in the world, say we say I him kill Bogle.
Quite so.
Now all I know, he might disrespect wherever him go. And I go and reason with him. If he must say certain thing you don't feel say, he's a man this way and he's not God, we should have answer.
What do you mean?
We should have answer. We know in I fuckery.
Quite so.
Him say something so we go and say back something.
Elaborate.
Me I go say back something, brethren. Because what now? Him go on like him are the most intelligent artist.
Quite so.
Because check what now.
Elaborate.
Check what?
Check it.
When we say I are the one for our CD, hold on. We say I are the one. I never actually hear Killer say that, you know. I just say that to overemphasize Killer bad grammar. And what Killer do? Killer show the love and the strength by using I are the one. You know, big up Bounty Killer. Killer is an intelligent youth.
Quite so.
Bumbuckler. Well, I know. Then this next virgin I go vex and say what we not say.
Quite so.
You know if he say I fuck with that. Alright, no rhythm because I don't know that tune so properly.
Arc and Peller.
No rhythm.
Elaborate.
The virgin doesn't walk and this everybody Rasta.
Quite so.
Like the business belong to the virgin Rasta. Beenie Man is a legend. You do your work, you have to secure. You have to secure in a way you do. So here what now?
The dread gone mad. This thing everybody from old man to the lad. And when since the good DJ gets so bad, feel say you're king, but me know say you're no god. The dread gone sick. Somebody call Bellevue real quick. You know, she said the doctor is schizophrenic.
Hold on. You know, she said it.
Right.
Beenie Man this way and so we avoid him. I talk about piece of bungled up here, ride him. We saw them on fear.
Quite so.
Me I go talk the tune.
With a response.
Beenie, what have we done to you?
Yeah. I don't know where they don't move. I'm telling you this. I'm afraid of people. I love my fans and I defend my thing.
So when a man a blood clot disrespectful, if we stand up and blood clot take that.
I'm not afraid of people.
Beenie, what have we done to you? To see others fall, it's like this is fun to you. Now I see we shine because we didn't have to run to you. Say killer get the cheese, mind to bring the bun to you. Make sure it's not a jacket when you bring that little sun to you.
You nasty blood clot.
And that we are saying.
Suck on a mother. Anyone who say woman fuck a pussy hole.
Yeah.
Suck on a mama.
Yo.
Pussy hole.
Twins of twins. All right.
I suck on a mother when I feel like when a bad man. Pussy hole.
All right.
Kingston 13.
All right.
Any boy when I want me defend my blood clot self, man. Suck on a mother.
All right. Cool. Portland people, and that's how we do it. No. On a Portland now. No. Portland people, and that's how we do it. Hold on, Portland. Hold on.
Look how they come out in the colors, yo. We not keep my blood clot. Some of Jamaica say for this we not keep up. The whole of we there.
Hold on, the killer. Hey, twins of twins.
Yo,
people.
Listen me. We not motivate no negativity.
Yeah, but me I say them for respect.
Benji, bad man attack. Everybody for relax. If DJ a chat fuck with us, blood clot, boo them and make them go on. You don't fling the battle. You don't get. Yo, look how they do yourself. Twins of twins say words, but you guys take action. And that's negative. Portland is a nice tourist resort. Why the fuck are you doing this to yourself? Few words I wanna get so foolish. Yo, what I do? Bling Dawg love when we in a youth. A town him living up. Yo, wanna see my blood clot forehead. Wallet. Youth, and I sing, me come for singing and kill, me come for killing. Cause you know hurt my vibes. Wanna see wanna make me the backstage, I run up and down a side back like me a batty man. Youth, and the money we are do this sign up. Bling Dawg. We are going to forgive them. We're going to forgive on the Portland. On the disrespect, you know. Because on the can't make people make on the lose on the blood clot morality, you know. On a run and a fling back and a fight on yourself on a pay on the money compensation.
Yo, Portland. You see this, enough stress me go through to keep this, you know. I mean, no say I love and love me make on the turn out, you know.
Sure.
You see me, I say when I want to mash it up, you know. How much time when I have stage show when I can't come to? I see so much artists. You see me, I say, when I feel the school I fighting a ganga, yo.
Sure.
You shouldn't even fling no back in that crowd in a boy ganga. If you go to it,
no, man, listen me, them fling back.
No, man.
So if I Bling Dawg, that's cool. What them do a while ago, I bullet some blood clot boy, I forget. Look on me for it. Hey, blood clot, Bling Dawg. Hey, relax on the blood clot, said. No, when I go and run up and down, me make sure come past stage. So any man have something to do. Do it. Me the blood clot side stage, I'm in a run, you know. When they did that fling in the back and a fire no shot, pussy. If you want to fling a back like me, step in front of me like a vigilante. The whole don't fling your buckle and fire your wine blood clot bullet. 5 song me a sing and go away. On a this report land. Blood clot, bounty killer on the lens and 5 cartilage. Yo, wipe up what? Wipe what? Batty boy blood like a run back. Portland. And you know me? And I push one about him and no one them around way. Watch me.
Yo, John O'Star. Yo, Portland. How much love you, sir? You saw me and say, I'm not too like what go on in a John, no, you know. God, no.
Portland. Yo.